Yay! I'm sure you guys must have seen this a lot on the streets of TikTok. Guys, I'm just laughing at myself because, to be honest with you, I saw a lot of negative reviews on Koji-san. I'm not even going to lie. I have a lot of products here. I'm gonna show you again. I'm gonna show you again, guys. I know about the glow, but it doesn't brighten. Like, it doesn't make you fairer than you already are. Some people say it bleaches, but I have used it for almost 18 months now. Almond oil with essential oils. I got the citrus essential oils with vitamin C, eucalyptus, and spearmint oil. These two, amazing. I got two of it. This is what it looks like. I got two of it. How you doing? It's your girl Joy Isayom here, and welcome back to our channel. Okay, if you don't already know, if this is your first time, welcome. Over here we talk about faith, motherhood, lifestyle, business, and all sorts of wholesome beauties. Okay, today we're going to be doing an updated version of our skincare routine. If you've watched my previous video, you would know that there was a time I unboxed some products I got, some Korean products I got. But today we're going to be doing something slightly different. Today I'll be unboxing my skincare products that I got from Nigeria, and I'll show you in a second. Ow! It's so heavy! It is so heavy! It is so heavy! Guys, look at it is a lot. So I buy my skincare products from Nigeria. I buy a lot of things from Nigeria. My perfumes, my skincare products, what else? My foodstuffs, because obviously from back home. But yeah, I buy a lot of things from home. Also because I'm a business person, so I do a lot of like fabric shopping, shipping, and all that. Anyway, today I'm going to be unboxing this with you guys. If you watched my last video, I'm making references to because over there I talked about quite a few things about my skincare products and my skincare routine. I'm not a very fair skin person. I'm not fair. I'm not dark. I'm in between. Do you understand? I'm in between. But I have become more intentional about my skincare products and my routine as well, because I feel like as we advance in age and as mothers, motherhood tends to take a toll on your skin. If you've been like, obviously for mothers here, you know what I'm talking about. Like during pregnancy, your skin goes through like an entirely rough phase, and sometimes our bodies don't recover from it. Okay, for example, when you have skin tags, you see that your skin tags are always there. Like even after childbirth, you struggle to lose weight, you struggle to get your skin glow back, you struggle to, get everything back to, factory setting. And even though it is not possible, at least I feel like to an extent. Okay, and that's why I decided to take my skincare products and routine very seriously this year. Last year into this year. That's why I had to go overboard to buy this product. Okay, everything in this box was about 66,000. I don't remember now. And this was what I was telling you guys about, that I wanted to ship, and told me it was 170, and then I couldn't because obviously my brother was coming, so I had to wait for him to bring it for me. But guys, no long talk, let's unbox. I like to do my unboxing with you guys so that you see how it's doing me. By the way, get my skincare products from Tika4. If you know Tika4, you know she sells really affordable and authentic skincare products. I love that she buys directly from like the manufacturers, and that's good because obviously when you're buying from the manufacturers, you don't have to worry about scam or fraud or fake or whatever that nonsense is. You don't have to worry about it. I have a lot of products here. I'm gonna show you again. I'm gonna show you again, guys. A lot of products. Anyways, topping the list for me, I have a lot of products here, and I'm saying a lot because I had to buy them like 2s and 3s because I don't want to keep going back and shipping. The shipping cost, the cost to ship these things, it's not cheap. It's not cheap at all. I don't think I want to even open them, but I'll just show you guys a few. I showed you guys this all-in-one cream. I think I showed you guys in the other vlog, so you already have an idea what it is. Then this soap, guys, this is not Korean. Dr. Teal's is not Korean. I love Dr. Teal's so much. I've been using it. It says brighten, it says a glow and radiance. I know about the glow, but it doesn't brighten. Like, it doesn't make you fairer than you already are. It just gives you that glow. You just glowing in your own skin. You're not bright, you're not toning, you know what I mean? Like, it cleanses you, and I feel like it has a bit of hydrating ingredients as well. Like, it keeps your skin hydrated, which I really love. This, I recommend it a lot. I got a lot of it. You can see I got a lot. The next one I'm going to show you guys is my cream. This one, Medix 5.5. I love this cream so much. A lot of people, I've seen a lot of reviews saying some people say it bleaches, but I have used it for almost 18 months now. I've used it for almost 18 months now, and I can tell you for free that it works for me. Although I know that people's review are different, my skin would definitely not react to products the way your skin would, but it has been working for me, and I really love it. To tell you how much I love it, I got 3 of it. I got 3. Like, I don't joke with my skincare. I don't joke. I'm not I'm not one that has the most shiny skin. I don't even have a glass skin yet, but every day I make sure I do something towards that to make sure that my skin keeps glowing. This one, Dr. Teal's Sheer Sugar Scrub. I exfoliate my skin 2 times, at least 2 times a week. Every week, at least 2 times. Why I say at least is because sometimes I feel like I need to do more. I do 3 times, you know, but at least 2 times a week. And if you exfoliate, you know that it helps you take out dead skin cells. Like, it keeps your skin glowing. And there's some scrubs you use that it kind of just makes you feel like you poured butter all over your body. Like, it makes you feel spotless and sweet and clean, and that's why I love scrubs. This is my first time trying Dr. Teal, so I don't even know how it's going to feel on me, because I've always used scrub from the Body Shop. I used to buy my scrubs from the Body Shop here in Australia, but I decided to try Dr. Teal's, so I decided to get, I think I got 4. I've seen a lot of reviews on it. So I got the shea butter and almond oil with essential oils. I got the citrus essential oils with vitamin C, and yeah, I got 2 of this and 2 of that. So I got 2 vitamin C's and 2 shea butter scrub. Okay, vitamin C because I like to tone a bit, so I'm looking to tone my skin a bit, because I think I used to be lighter than this before childbirth, so I think I went 2 shades darker. So I'm trying to get something that would brighten my skin a bit, or maybe tone my skin a bit without any side effects. All this dark knuckles, I don't want that shit. Okay, so I'm trying to get products that will actually do the work without any side effects. So yeah, I also got this one. Shout out to my bestie, she got this one for me. I forgot to order it somehow, I don't even know how, and she got it for me. The Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Oil Mist. I got it. She got 2 of it for me. Yeah, actually got this one, has oats oil and jojoba oil, and that's why, because I have this one here as well, but it doesn't have this ingredients, so I had to buy it. And I also bought the eucalyptus and spearmint oil. These two, amazing. What else? Oh, I got a surprise patch. Anyway, the next one I got, to tell you how big my boxes are, I got this Koji-san. Guys, I'm just laughing at myself because, to be honest with you, I saw a lot of negative reviews on Koji-san. I'm not even going to lie. I saw a lot of negative reviews. A lot of people tell you that, oh, you don't have to use it every day. Use it like once a week because it's bleaches. It will give you rough patches, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, I understand. But I also got a few reviews. I actually saw one very authentic review on Tika 4's page that made me say, you know what, I'm going to give it a try. And that person said, if it helps tone, okay, it helps tone your skin, but you don't have to use it every day. Maybe once a week. And while you're using it, be very observant to know when things start going south. Okay, and I think that's one thing to actually point out here. Sometimes when you're using a skincare product, be very observant. Maybe take a picture of your skin before you start and give yourself 1 month or 1 week or 2 weeks, depending on what the product says. Some products will tell you you start seeing changes in one week or 1 month, or dependent. So if it says watch out for 1 week, take a picture of yourself in 1 week before you start, and in 1 week compare and contrast. Do you think it's doing the job? Do you think your skin is getting better? Do you think you feel better in your skin, or do you think things may be going south? The moment you feel about it, just stop. That's it. Just stop. Don't even continue and hope for the best. I know some people will tell you, sometimes it starts rough and gradually it's no. I don't believe in that. Okay, if it's a product cannot start fine on your skin, it's not for me. I just have that mentality. I don't believe in products that they'll start by scattering your skin first before they'll start arranging it. How now? It doesn't work that way. So if it doesn't start doing the job, if you're not seeing the positive effect immediately, then it's probably not for you. That's what I think. Anyway, I'm gonna give this a try. It's actually a 2-in-1, and then let you guys know. It even says it here that it's a skin lightening soap. You can see it. It says the skin lightening soap, and I hope it does the work. So the next one, I got this one. I got the clarifying treatment tone. I'm gonna show you guys because I don't think I've showed you guys this one before. I got this one. It's a clarifying treatment toner. I need this. I need this. I got this one. I got it. I think I got two. I got 2 of it. This is what it looks like. I got 2 of it. Yep, 2 of it, and I'm hoping it does the job because it's actually supposed to. It has it comes with like a low pH formula that helps like tone and refresh and hydrate your skin and all that good stuff. Sometimes I feel like these products don't even do what they say they do. It just depends on how your body takes it or how your body reacts to it. Some people would come and swear by it that it works. Some other persons will say, never, it didn't work, and that's it. So everybody has their truth. It might work for A, it might not work for you. So whatever it is, I'm just going to try it out and probably come back and give a review. And I know I still owe you guys a review from the last video. That would also come. Then this one, I think I showed you guys in the last video, but I'm just going to show you guys again for those that haven't watched that video. This is what it looks like. It's like it's the all-in-one snail cream. This is what it looks like. It's the all-in-one snail cream. I've been using it and I really love how it feels on me. FYI, this product doesn't brighten. And I think I need to put it out there. It doesn't brighten your skin. So if you're dark, you're going to be dark. Okay, it doesn't make you bright. I feel like it also gradually heals. It doesn't happen overnight. It even says here, this cream helps naturally create the appealing skin glow of blah blah blah. It helps gradually, so it's a gradual healing cream. Like it doesn't do the work overnight. You need to take your time, like give it 6 months maybe, for you to begin to see the effect. But it's worth it because it's a snail cream, and if you know snail, you know that it has some ingredients and potencies in it that help the human skin, and that's why I'm even giving it a try. Okay, and this also, if you're on the streets of TikTok, you know that this has been selling really, like this has been selling a lot on TikTok. Like if you're on TikTok and you haven't seen this, bruh, you on TikTok? Don't mind me, I'm kidding, but yeah, it's been selling for real. And then this one as well, the Mucin Power Essence. I also showed you guys this one on the first skincare review I did on Korean products. I'm just going to show you guys again for those that, oh my god, why is it? For those that didn't watch it. This is what it looks like. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So I've been using this as well. I think I'm almost halfway the bottle I got. It's been good. Again, it doesn't brighten. It just gradually heals your skin. It gives you this glow. It kind of makes, I feel like one thing I've observed about using it is it makes my skin feel softer and clean, even though I know I still do like my cleansing and all that. It just adds a bit of essence to my skin. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, that's how it makes me feel. You can have a different feeling. I mean, you can feel different about it, and that's okay, because like I said before, skin type, skin tone, everything is different, so it may not work. I got this B3. Oh my god, I'm trying not to open all these products because it's going to be hard for me to pull them all back in. but I'm gonna do it for you guys because you guys are my family. Okay. Oh my god, where's my scissors? So this one is, I think it's a toner. I think this is a toner. To be honest, I'm not sure. But the reason why I bought it is because, like I said, I've seen a lot of good reviews on this. I think this is a toner. I'll show you guys. I think this is a toner. It has B3 source and it's really good. It says it reduces dullness and uneven skin tone. I decided to try that because I feel like when you're going for Korean skincare products, you don't just buy one. You buy like a range, because I feel like they all work together. They will all work pari passu to be able to give you that desired result. Does that make sense? So yeah, that's why I got it. I'm hoping to try it out. Okay, yeah. It also says brightens dull skin and dark spots. I think that's what caught my eye. Now I remember, that's what caught my eye. That's why I actually bought it. Brightens dull skin and dark spots. No more dark spots. That's why I bought it. So hopefully it does the job. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And I got gifts. Two gifts. Surprise patch from this brand. They gave me from this brand. They added it here. I got this two surprise patches for my skin. And the last I'm going to talk about is this one. Glow Dip Serum. I'm going to open it before showing you guys. Yay! I'm sure you guys must have seen this a lot on the streets of TikTok. I don't even know if you can see it. I don't even know if it's close, but yeah, I'm sure you've seen it on the streets of TikTok. This is Beauty of Joseon. I think that's what it's called. It's a serum. I got two of it. And I'm hoping it does the job as well. Like I said, I'm taking my skincare products pretty serious this year, and I'm just going to do my best as a human being, because I know motherhood will still be in the way as usual, but I'm going to keep at it. I've had people who've used it and they've testified, not even social media, people that I know that have used it and they've testified. And mind you, I feel like it's one thing to get good products, it's another thing to know how to apply them. So just in case you don't know, maybe I would even do a video on how I do like my night or daytime skincare routine, just so you see how these products are supposed to be layered up. So you don't, for example, you don't use the first one for the last one. No. There are ways these products work. So you need to know how to even apply them. Okay, I'm gonna do a video on that, on how I apply my skincare products, just so you have an idea of how it works, because I feel like it's one thing to get a product and it's another thing to do right by it, to be able to know the best way to apply it for you to give you the desired result. Otherwise, it's almost like you're pouring water on the cement, because it's not going to work. All right, it's not going to work, and you don't want to be spending so much money on and not doing the right things. Okay, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you've used any of these products, what your thoughts are, what your reviews are. Do you think they're worth it? Do you think they're actually doing the job? Do you think they're worth the hype? That's the word. Do you think they're worth the hype? Leave your comments in the comments below, and thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share with your loved ones, guys, and until next time, bye.